Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains At, and today we're at Barnetby. So you've been seeing services by TransPennine Express, East Midlands Trains, and possibly various freight as well. Over there's a tamper that came in from Chesterfield down sidings this morning. There is 66606. Yeah, I know, 66606, try and say that when you're drunk. That is stabled here. Also, this camera is not a HD camera, so that's why I can only get the quality to 480p. So yeah, but it's actually made my commentary a lot louder, and some of you actually prefer non-HD videos, because my last two episodes at Swindeby and Highcombe got quite a good response. So I came here today because you guys seem to like the diesel and commuter services rather than the East Coast Main Line and things like that. But anyway, this is Barnetby. Let's see what else shall turn up. The first train to arrive is the I said 15, I meant 1353 TransPennine Express service from Cleethorpes to Manchester Airport. Goes via Scunthorpe, Doncaster, Sheffield and Stockport, and Manchester Piccadilly. We've got 185128. And when she pulls to a stop, we'll see her on her departure. Okay, 185128 is now leaving with the 1353 TransPennine Express service from Cleethorpes to Manchester Airport. Leaving exactly on time. 185128 to Manchester Airport. Whilst we wait for the next train, a bit of information. It's either over that hill, over there, or somewhere over there, is Humberside Airport. This is the station for Humberside Airport, and it's exactly about 2 to 3 miles away from this point, this station here. But let's get on with the episode. Just about to come around the corner, your 1409 Eastman's train service from Grimsby down to Newark Northgate via Lincoln Central.
Here comes the cute little thing. Watch out.
Yes, Sam. If you heard that, he just said, "Here comes a cute little thing." To be honest, it is. No, it's not. It's 153319, I think. No, it isn't. It's 153381. It's 153381. He has about 2 minutes in. Okay, the 1409 to Newark Northgate is ready to leave. 153381. Again, if the quality is not the best, I apologise. This is not a HD camera, so the highest I can get it is 480p is what I meant to say. Ooh, diesel. Smells like Lincoln Central. Smells like Lincoln Central. Train-wise, I should say. Just about to come down now is the very, well, not rare, but for me it is, the first catch on this channel of the biomass train heading from Drax Power Station all the way to Immingham Biomass depot thing. This will have the Drax Power Station livery coaches. Not coaches, trucks, wagons, things. Anyway, on it today is 66035. Oh god. 66035 to Immingham. Also, for once, the freight train didn't actually go and blooming nearly blow me off the station. It was actually a nice breeze compared to like tornado-style winds. Just about to come down, you're slightly delayed, 14:18. TransPennine Express serves from Manchester Airport to Cleethorpes. This thing started off from Manchester Airport at 11:55 this morning and calls at Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes. Going to go over here, where I can get a better angle possibly. Yes, I can. Anyway, maybe I'll be able to make out its number from the camera. No, I won't, so I'm going to have to do a bit of... Why not? What? I'm confused. I've confused myself. 185148. It's only about 2 minutes late. (185.148) for Cleethorpes. Next stop is Hayborough in about... Wait, that doesn't call it Hayborough. Wait, does it call it Hayborough? I think this is one of the only TransPennine Express services that call it Hayborough. Yes, it does call it Hayborough. Okay, 185148's just about ready to leave, about 3 minutes late. The reason why I was surprised where it's when it said Hayborough on the departure board is because TransPennine Express rarely call it Hayborough on their Cleethorpes to Manchester trains. This is not the oil train, but it is your Scunthorpe to Immingham service. Immingham Ore Terminal, or something like that. 66529, this is not oil, Sam, as Sam thinks. Bloody hell. $5.29 from, let me get the details up. It's a very short coal train. That is Immingham Dock. No, that is Scunthorpe Ore Terminal to Immingham Dock. This is normally a tug, aka a class 60. But we've got sheddage. This is the heavily early. So I'm not sure if that's a good thing, but it's the slightly early, or very early I should say, 14:52 from Kingsbury to Humber. Coming off of Rawby Junction. A helicopter's just taken off from Humberside Airport.
No, look, Shane, it's coming.
Can't really get it on my bloody camera.
Anyway, here it comes.
There it is. That just took off from Humberside. But if we turn the camera, yeah, it's definitely took off from. That's over there, Bond Offshore Helicopters. They'll be heading up to the oil rigs out at sea. But anyway, he's going slow because no, he's opened it up. He's opened it up. I'm actually going to go onto the wider bit so I don't get bloody blown off the station. Anyway, shed 66120. And away from the driver there. Yeah, he's not going that fast at all. That one didn't sound good. And here's the end of 66-120 to Humber. Oil refinery, that is. Anyway, as she continues on, I'll leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching another episode of Trains Out here at Barnetby. It is greatly appreciated. Please like, if you've liked what you've seen here today, then please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And we get one closer to our 200 subscriber special if that happens. Anyway, this has been Barnetby. I have really enjoyed filming here. It could do with some more traffic. But apart from that, I really enjoyed filming here. I definitely come back here later in the year if I could, which I probably will at some point. Anyway, this has been Barnetby, but you have to come here for, at least in my opinion, a Wednesday, which is today, is pretty decent, or any weekday really is pretty decent to come here. Just don't come here on a Saturday because expecting a lot of things, because you won't. So therefore I will not be coming on a Saturday, so it'll probably be a weekday when you see Barnetby. I think Barnetby will be like weekday specials. Anyway, this has been Barnetby, and hopefully I'll see you next time. My next station is the Armed Forces, well actually, yeah, it'll be an Armed Forces special up at Lincoln Central. So hopefully I'll see you then. Shane, out.